syllabus for both the exams is almost same, content is the same, but yes, of course, CUET, the level is a little higher. The technique with which one has to appear in both the exams, the mindset, has to be a little different. Somebody who's very good at learning, cramming, doing subjective questions may do very well in CBSE, but the same student would not be able to probably crack CUET, because a lot of multiple choice questions are there, and there is time frame within which you have to complete those questions. Somebody who has read NCERT analytically would be able to crack both CBSE as well as CUET. Every word given in NCERT is important. Students normally, they tend to miss on the information given in boxes, especially captions given under, the pictures or the cartoons, especially in liberal arts subjects. So all these things have to be done thoroughly. With NEP in place, analytical questions are being stressed upon. Match the following, choose the odd one out. So all this needs to be prepared. And I would say NCERT books from class 8 to 12, children have to revise that, not only class 12 syllabus. I would say the best strategy to do well in CUET is keep yourself updated. Read newspapers on daily basis, especially The Hindu. I'm very fond of this newspaper. Do lots of mock tests, practice tests, because when you go through hundreds of questions, then you tend to know your mistakes, where you are lacking, and then one starts working on those lines. Not only that, when you practice lots of questions, then during exam maybe you get a few familiar questions, and if that happens, the job is done. Then no heavy revision, I would say, on the last day. Prepare flashcards, prepare very, very brief notes, sticky notes, mind maps maybe, so that on the last day you just go through those very, very brief notes. Have a very, very positive mindset. Exercise, meditation at least for half an hour is very important, because that keeps you going. I feel last day children tend to revise the whole syllabus, which is not possible, and that they get nervous. Actually, it's a test of nerves. One shouldn't be doing that. Then of course, students tend to ignore dates. They tend to ignore pictures, cartoons in the book. One should not do that, I think. Some children tend to check their social media accounts before they go to bed. That's a huge, huge distraction. One shouldn't be doing that, I think. Have a good night's sleep and take care of your health. Keep yourself hydrated. These are a few tips which are not only important for CUET, in fact for any other exam. Those students who are appearing for CUET in 2024, I would like to just give one tip to them, that be very, very consistent in your preparation. Don't leave the revision to the last moment. Every day spend at least 45 minutes to 1 hour on the preparation for CUET. You will do very well.